Today with SwissWatchExpo, we're going to give you a little how-to video on the clasps on some of these new pieces. This is the Hulk, the much acclaimed green on green, green bezel, green dial Submariner. And one of the questions that we get a lot is whether or not some of these watches have the micro adjuster. Now I've clasped this because I want to start from the very beginning. Whenever you see one of these watches, one of the first things you want to do is obviously pull this tab straight back. Now this has a flexible clasp lock here, so you're just going to pull back on that and see how it has a little bit of flex to it. That's how it unlocks from the actual watch, so you just pull it back. Now this is where the micro adjuster was. In the old days there were holes right along through here, and a watchmaker actually had to adjust those pins, or even you could do it at home if you had the right tool. You no longer have to do that. And now what you do is you actually, this is in the locked position, and I want to make sure that this is clear in this camera. This is in the locked position. Everything lays flat in the inside of the clasp. What you want to do is simply pull. See how that unlocks? It pulls, and if you want to snap it back, you just simply push it back in and it clasps back. So I'm going to show you how that works on the side. When you pull, it pulls out. If it's like this, you just simply push and it lines back up. Now, what happens is when you unlock this watch, you can actually adjust this particular slide, and you can see those little notches inside the buckle. You can actually slide this clasp right along that micro line, and you can adjust this to fit your wrist just perfectly. When you get it to just the right place and you know that that's fine, snap it down, and you've shortened the length of the bracelet, or you've lengthened the bracelet. It works the same way. Pull it out and slide.